Good afternoon. Okay, this week's PE. I was really pleased to hear so much really positive feedback from last week's PE, the Just Dance. So I thought I'd take things a little bit different today. Okay, we might go back to doing Just Dance, okay, because I'm not sure I want to do this one every week. You'll find out why in a minute. But your skill is to take part in individual challenges. Okay, that is your PE skill today. So, first things first, warm up your body using the following movements or choose your own. Okay, so you've got skipping, you've got high knees, jumping up as high as you can and touching your toes, 1 minute side step, minute jogging on the spot, 15 star jumps, 15 hill kicks. Okay, now I did actually video myself doing a warm up today and I can't find it anywhere. Okay, I've got 3 different devices that I was testing out, filming different things. The only thing I can think of is that I actually didn't press record. So you can do this. We went through these last week. The only thing that is new is a hill kick. So a hill kick, okay, is that you're kicking as high as you can. Okay, you can do that. And then once you warm up and you're ready to move on, come back to me and then we'll start today's PE. Okay, so today's PE is beat the teacher. So you're going to need a sock or a marker of some sort. Okay, it could be a ruler, it could be anything really. Space, you need space around you. Pen and paper perhaps to mark down your scores, and probably some water. I needed water and lots of it. Okay, this is Mrs. Coleman. I'm saying, go me! I need all the help I can get. So, what we're going to do is you're going to attempt each of these 3 activities 3 times. Okay, and you're going to record your best score out of the 3. So you could draw a table like this. Okay, so you've got 5 challenges to do. So you're going to write attempt 1, attempt 2, attempt 3, Mrs. Coleman's attempt, and then the winner out of each one. Okay, so pause the video, draw a table or draw something similar so you can keep a record of what scores you got for which activity. Okay, and then let's begin. Okay, so your first challenge is a bounce challenge, okay? Now what we'll do is we'll watch my video first, showing you how to do the challenge, and then I'll set the countdown timer for you to do it. Okay, have a watch. Hi guys. Okay, so you've just done your warm-up. You now need to do your first challenge. Now, your first challenge, you're going to need a sock. Make sure it's a clean sock, okay? Because it does stink a bit, it's my son's sock. So you're going to get your sock, you're going to put it on the floor. Like that. Now, if you haven't got a sock, or if you're in school, then there'll be something else to jump over, okay? If you're in the bubble, but you're with me anyway, so that's fine. But make sure you have got a sock. Now your first challenge is to see how many times you can jump over the sock in 20 seconds. Now, don't forget Mrs. Coleman has got a poorly ankle, but you need to beat me, okay? So, this is my 20 seconds. I'm going to tell you what my score is. You've got to beat it. Are you ready? Ready, go. It's a bit wobbly. How long? Stop. Okay. See if you can beat it. I'll have to watch the video back to see what my number was because I've forgotten, but I'll let you know. Okay, so actually, although 20 seconds doesn't sound like a lot, it is a really long time, especially when you're really trying something. And you'll notice as the video goes on, my face gets redder and redder. No doubt yours will too. Okay, so score was 40. Okay, so my score was 40 for challenge 1. I'm going to play the countdown timer for you to start and finish so you can see it on the screen. Okay, or if you don't want to do it now, you can come back to it, that's absolutely fine. But you've got 3 attempts. I had 1 attempt. Okay, you've got 3. So I'm not going to play the timer 3 times though. You can go back and just rewind the video as it's playing, okay? So make sure you're ready and you've got your sock. Pause the video if you're not, and I'm going to play the timer for you. Ready? Steady. Go. Oh, just got to wait. Go. And stop. Okay, I wonder how many you got. Okay, so you can write that number down as attempt 1. Okay, and then you can try another 2 times. With this one, you're counting each side, okay? So you might think, she didn't get 40. So each time your foot touches the floor, okay, you count that as 1. Okay, challenge 2. Star jumps. Okay, let's have a watch. This time you're counting every time your feet go outwards, okay? So not out then in, so it's just every time it goes out, that counts as 1. Okay, so challenge number 2. You are going to do star jumps, okay? So the same thing, you are going to do it for 20 seconds. You're going to do it 3 times. Okay, and record your best score. How many star jumps can you do in 20 seconds? This is Mrs. Coleman's attempt. You ready? Steady, go. Make sure your hands are really high. Stop. Okay, so my attempt was 24, which doesn't sound as good as the 40, does it? But still, it's a good attempt. Now over to you. Have you got space? Have you had a bit of water? Okay, you ready for the timer? Okay, off you go. Stop. Okay, well done if you managed to beat me. Don't forget to write your score down if you didn't quite beat me this time. Okay, try again. If you did beat me, still try again. Really push yourself. See how quickly you can do them. See how many you can get in 20 seconds because you're challenging yourself each time. Okay, challenge 3 is spotty dogs. So let's find out what we need to do for this one.
Challenge number 3 is spotty dogs. So 20 seconds. You're going to start on one leg. Get it to the side. One leg, 2 leg, 1 leg, 2 leg. Okay, as fast as you can for 20 seconds. This is my attempt. Ready? Go. Helps if you move your arms.
Okay, so my attempt was 27. Okay, so to score this one is every time either your right or left foot comes forward. Okay, so if you're starting with your right foot, then it goes back one, that doesn't count. It's only every time it comes forward, your one foot that you choose, okay? So if you're ready, make sure you've got space. Off you go. And stop. I wonder if you're getting as tired as I was when I was doing this. Okay, next one, squat thrusts.
Okay, challenge number 4. This is your penultimate challenge, so your second to last challenge, okay? So, this time a squat thrust, so you need to be on the floor. Okay? And what you're going to do is you're going to jump and then back. And then jump forward and then back. You've got 20 seconds to do as many as you can. Can you beat me? Probably not. Ready? There we go. Go.
Okay, so my score that you need to beat is 19. I thought I was really good at that one. And I definitely thought I was going to win. But with that score, I probably won't. Next time I might do it in bare feet. My trainers were very slippery. But I'm not making excuses, you can do better. Okay, so. Are you ready? Also, with this one, when you're counting, okay, you're counting every time your feet come up or down, whichever one you choose. Okay, so let's start. Off you go. Well done. Okay, make sure you're writing your scores down. Obviously, don't forget you're going to do this 3 times, so go back and play the video again for when the timer starts and you can keep going. Let's see if you're ready for your last challenge.
Okay guys, 5th and final challenge is a plank, okay? So, I've taken my shoes off this time because the floor was a bit slippery for me and I want to win this challenge. So you have got a 20-second limit. This time you need to time yourself to be as long as you can. The idea is you have a longer time than I do. Okay? So, you need to have your hands and your toes on the floor and your forearms. So these bits here need to be on the floor. Okay, and your toes. So you're holding your body weight on just your forearms and your toes. Ready? Your time in here?
Yeah.
Your back needs to be straight. Bit tricky. How long yet?
You started at 48 minutes. I'm not timing. Struggling.
Yeah, that made me laugh. Okay, I wonder if you could beat my time. I'll let you know what I got. Good luck with these challenges and be sure to try and beat me if you can.
You will.
Next time I might try and make them a little bit harder for you. Good luck.
Okay, so this time obviously you don't need the 20-second timer. Okay, I did that in 38 seconds. Now, I was really disappointed with this one because I know I can do a plank for longer. So I'm going to challenge myself and I'm going to keep practicing, okay? Because I know I can do better. However, it was the first time I've done a plank for a long time. So I shouldn't be too hard on myself. Okay, you don't need the timer for this one. Okay, so you can either count in your head how many seconds. So 1 elephant, 2 elephant, 3 elephant. So it keeps you in time, okay, for the second. Or you could ask somebody to help you. Or perhaps if you've got a phone or an iPad or a timer in the house, like a stopwatch, you could use that to time yourself. Okay, I'm going to go for a lay down now because I'm very tired after all that exercise. You keep going, you keep trying your best, and I can't wait to see who beat me. Good luck, guys.